Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we are in Henderson and we're going to be checking out some condos in a brand new community by Harmony Homes. And for today's property tour, we're going to be checking out the community of Presley Place. Also, guys, if this is your first time to my channel and you would like to stay up to date with all the new construction here throughout the Las Vegas, Henderson, and North Las Vegas, tap the subscribe button below. Also, tap that bell for notification. That way, when I do upload these tours, you guys are always the first to learn about them. Now let's get started. All right, guys, here we are in Henderson and we're in the community of Presley Place by Harmony Homes, and we're going to be checking out these condos. Really quick before I get started, they are classified as condos, but as you check this property out today, you can notice it's pretty much a townhome, but just classified as a condo. I know they were intentionally supposed to be townhomes, but from my understanding, what I was told is that the city of Henderson registered the tax record as condos, so now they're selling them as condos, but pretty much townhomes. So really quick, so this one right here, we're going to be checking out. So there's 3 different units here in this whole building, guys. So if you notice, guys, you're going to see over here, there's 2 entrances. I won't walk all the way over there, but there's door number 1 and door number 2. So there's 2 units here on this side, and then on the opposite side, there's another unit. So for today's tour, we're gonna be checking out unit number 1. And this one is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. It is a 1,096 square feet. It does have a 1-car garage. I know you don't see it, guys, but you are gonna have that 1 car right there. Right now, it's currently, actually, let me turn around so you can see. Perfect. You see the garage is right there. So to give you a quick idea of how that looks. And the starting base price for this one right now is $296,990, guys. So that doesn't include any upgrades, guys. So on average, here in this community, we're seeing about $8,000 to $11,000 in additional upgrades, because they are selling these condos as a spec. So meaning the builder already picks up the upgrades. And this unit that we're gonna see in this video does not have a backyard, but 2 other units here have a backyard, and I'll have those posted up here shortly. Once released, I'll have them here on YouTube. HOA here is $249 a month. It is a gated community, and there is a total of 3 different floor plans here available. So they are gonna be building a total of 72 units here in this community, and that is a total of 24 buildings. When I say buildings of this building like this, 24 of those, and each one will have three units in there. All right, well, enough of me talking. Let's go inside and take a look. So before we go inside and check the garage, we're actually just gonna walk through there because it's just a sales office right now. But let me show you your front door. So your front door is gonna be right here, guys. So this would be your front door for unit 1. And that is a front door for unit 2. So just something to keep in mind. You can't go in through here because it's locked. And you also have the AC unit here on the side as well. But we're gonna go to the garage real quick. currently the sales office, so we'll just walk through there. There's really nothing to look at because the stage is, they have it as the sales office right now. So you park in here, pretend you're parking, and then you're gonna go in through your unit. So you come in. It looks like your garage is gonna be from that wall on that way. Now, we're gonna come in as if we're coming in through the garage. All right, so this one, you have to go upstairs for all your living and bedrooms. So as soon as you come in here through the garage, here to the left is your front door. So if we would have came through here, would open that door, and this is what you see, guys. Just a straight shot going up. So let's go upstairs and show you this one. And I know there's another community that's really similar to this one, and you guys probably heard it, but it's Falcon Ridge. So this community is pretty similar and very different. And one thing I like about this one, I'll show you just a moment, but really quick, here's your living room and your kitchen. So this only has 2 bedrooms. So you can have 1 bedroom here over there, then 1 over here, and then you have like another flex space. Cannot wait to show you, because the other Falcon Ridge doesn't have that, this one does. So first, let's focus on the kitchen. So you got the white cabinets, stainless steel handles, you got the quartz countertop. Seats about, you could eat, I'd say 3 people, but you see the bar stools there, 2 people. Also, washer, stove, microwave, dryer, refrigerator, all included, guys. I said that a little mixed up, but you get it. And right here, you have your pantry. Do like how it's quartz and then the tile backsplash as well. So gas, I know a lot of condos and even townhomes, they're not having gas stove. Surprisingly, this one is gas, so that is a plus, I would say. For all my gas people, I like to cook on gas stoves. Let's check, see if these are soft close. And they are. Okay, cool. Thank you, Harmony Homes. Then you have your stainless steel undermount sink, your dishwasher, but other than that, here's your kitchen. Not bad for a 2-bedroom, guys. Not gonna lie, this is not just to hype up this floor plan. This is just giving you guys my opinion. So let me know in the comments below. So far, you guys are enjoying this 2-bedroom condo. Then you have your living room right over here. Has 3 windows, which I love because gotta let in that natural sunlight, right? So that helps out with that. Not just that, I feel like it's very spacious as well. For a condo, not too bad. So here it is, guys. Here's your living room so far with your kitchen. The only thing that it doesn't have, guys, is gonna be your dining room table, but maybe you can squeeze it right here. Let me back up right here so you can see from this angle so you can know what I'm talking about, that space. Maybe, probably not. It's gonna be definitely, you know, making things even smaller, but I'm just trying to get maybe a little table. Then right here, you got your washer and dryer. Like I said, this is included with your condo purchase. And then, so that way over there is your primary, but first let's check out this bedroom on this side. So you come in here, then here immediately off to the right is the bedroom. Not bad inside, guys. I think this is perfect if you're living alone. Maybe you just have 1 child. Even like this is perfect for a starter home for sure. Then you have your closet right there. Let me get here on this side so you can see. What do you guys think? And then over here, I'll show you what I'm talking about really quick. So straight ahead, you have like this flex space room. So I really like that because you have 2 bedrooms plus if you do need an office, you have this space right here. Check it out. So this is one of the big differences from the one in Falcon Ridge. You don't have that. So I believe on this side is where you have the primary bedrooms. They kind of moved the primary to the opposite side, making this now this nice flex space right here. Perfect for an office or even a game room, computer room. Put a computer on that side, computer on this side. So plenty of room, guys. Yeah, you guys get the point. You could do whatever you want with this space. Also, I forgot to mention, so the ceilings here are also 8 feet. And then you have a linen closet right here. Check it out. And then here's your hallway bathroom. Single vanity, then you got a toilet, then you got your prefabricated combo tub stand-up shower. Got a window right there. Check it out. So not too bad, guys. I mean, it is a 2-bedroom, plus this flex space right here, which I absolutely love, to be honest, since this is only a 2-bedroom. Let me know in the comments below. They do have a quick move-in ready of this floor plan. There's only one available, and just to give you an idea, guys, it's going for around $307,000 and some change. If you want the up-to-date exact pricing, reach out to me. I'll have my contact info in the description below, so don't hesitate to reach out. Also, guys, if you guys want to come check out this model, let me know. I would definitely love to schedule something and bring you. Also, if you're looking to have your own outside representation, it's very important that if you do come check out this community, any other brand new community, that we must come with you on the first visit, if you want your outside own realtor outside representation. So very critical that we do come with you on that first visit. If not, the builder will not let us represent you. But now let's finish it off here with the primary. I was almost forgetting the primary, guys. Until I really noticed that, you know what, I haven't recorded the primary. So I do apologize about that. So here's your primary bedroom, 2 windows. I would say that, I think that's a queen size bed. Not 100% sure, but I believe it is a queen size, maybe king size, I don't know. But just to give you an idea, I mean, you got pretty small nightstands on each side, just to kind of give you an idea of how much space you have on left and right. Let me stand over here so you can see it. Then your primary bathroom. So this one, you do have 2 vanities. You got your toilet, and then you got the stand-up shower. Then right over here, you got your walk-in closet. Not too bad, guys, for a condo slash townhouse, because this is pretty much a townhouse. Not too bad, guys. Look at that. Usually, you know, I do see townhomes that only have 1 vanity. This one actually has 2, which in my opinion, I think it's a big bonus. For one for you, one for your partner, maybe both for yourself. Who knows, you know, depends on your situation. But I mean, this concludes this property tour, guys. Let me know what you guys think of this condo. If you guys would like to come schedule a property tour, don't hesitate to reach out. Contact info in the description below. And if you guys enjoyed this tour, guys, do me a huge favor. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and tap that bell for notifications. That way, when I do upload these tours, you guys are always the first to learn about them. Until next time, guys.